Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to engage the PTO on a dump trailer and how to lift it. So what you want to do first, make sure your tractor brake is set. This one needs to be pushed in. Put your truck into drive. Then down here, this thing, you push this yellow button in, flip the switch back, and then put yourself back into neutral. And what that did is it set the trailer brakes. That's why you don't have to push this one or pull this one out, because flipping this switch set the brakes. Then all you do is just go up. So you kind of make the RPMs go up to about 1300, and then you on this you have to pull up and back, and just like that the trailer goes up. And then when you're done, when you pull like that, the switch let go. So the PTO disengaged and the trailer brakes also disengaged. So pull this all the way forward and the trailer comes back down like that. And once it gets all the way down, you know you're good. Take the switch, put it back in the normal position, and that's all there is to it. And another thing that you should do before you lift the trailer up is to lower your axles. So flip that switch to lower the drive axles. Makes it less likely to tip over that way. So always be watching in your mirrors when it's going up. Make sure that it's not tipping over. Another thing you could do that I could show you real quick is when it's going up, look at the hydraulic. I'll show you here in a minute when it gets up. Right there you can see it's like right in the middle of that square right there. So right there you can see it's like in the middle. It's easier to see inside. But if that's starting to lean to the left or the right, then you know that trailer's going to be tipping over. So that's just another thing to watch. But yeah, other than that, that's about it. First off, you get lined up here. Leave yourself a little bit of space in the back for it to initially come out. Come over here and you check, you make sure it's level, so when it goes up it doesn't tip over. I already unscrewed this, but you do the salt lock over here, make sure it goes in that slot right there. And you take this one, same thing. Then we got to open these up, which is under the trailer. Right here, this one opens up that lock, and this one dumps the air out of the trailer, and it will slowly come down, and then you just get in the truck and engage the PTO. So then after it all comes out and you pull up, you see that door swinging, and you know you're clear. You just come back here. It's all poured out here. What you want to do is try to get any excess off, so you just pull this back. Let it hit and fall out a couple times. You come up here, screw that one in. Same thing over here. So it's nice and tight. Then you turn that valve to close these again. Put air back in the trailer, and you're all done. That one back. Trailer will start to rise again. And that's it. That's how you unload a dump trailer.